video, this first part.
Oh yeah. What's up guys, this is Jake. I'm here with my brother Isaac. Today we're going to be reviewing the S-TEAM Overland 270 awning. Isaac picked the spot. We're up here on Sumas Mountain. What do you think of the awning? It's very nice, right? It was $800. I had to add these foam pieces because it hits the bar here otherwise. Oh yeah, oatmeal? He said, I know, isn't that sucks that they hit the bar there? Oh, it came with this arm attached over on that side there. But that was a bit of an issue because in the back here, we've got a pull-out kitchen drawer. And you can see how the arm, once you got this thing all the way out, was like hitting. And the reason that's an issue is this opens up like a sink. Then you put a bucket underneath and you can like wash your dishes here after you're done using your stove. So the leg was hitting it. So luckily you're able to move it over that way. I've got these like screw-in tie downs that I use with my impact gun. And especially for like a rocky site like this, like I barely got that leg to stick into the ground with how rocky it is. At least it's not gonna just bend in half like your traditional tent poles.
If you need good lighting, my LEDs in the front, 6 power. What time tomorrow?
There we go. That's it, that's all it takes. You got a corner tied off. Yeah, dude, have you seen these? They're like screw into the tree anchors. You can fit like a bungee cord loop through there. I've used it in a few places where you want to like run the line where it's not at like head level. So you're able to like kind of still walk underneath it. You just like stand on a stump, screw, 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 and you're like ready to go. So what were you saying, Isaac? I forgot to mention the tie down ropes here.
The tie down rope I thought went to here.
Yeah.
But it doesn't go to here. You put it to this piece, which I mean still works.
So as I was editing, I realized I forgot to mention the overkill brackets that I made. My mentor, Herb Zukina, suggested I make some additional brackets to beef up what this awning came with stock. So the stock bracket is this big L-shaped one. And we've got one bolt that goes through the rack there, additional hole here, additional hole there, with a piece of angle iron that's had the sides cut off it, grinded really smooth so it doesn't cut any straps. And we've got an additional piece of flat steel that I've bent to shape to fit from this bolt down to there, and just add some additional stiffness because I do have a tote rack on the top here that we load up with totes, and when I'm loading it, I've got to climb up the side here, lean over the awning to be able to tie anything down. But now we'll get on to showing you the lights. It provides you lights as soon as the sun goes down. We'll end up being here long enough that you'll be able to see that. But you get this little controller here. It plugs into USB, and I just use this Milwaukee, I think they call this the top off. Yeah, top off. You got lights that turn on, and they've got different, you can turn the brightness up or down, so you can put it on the lowest setting if you want to conserve power, so you can have a really warm, like more yellow light, or you can go for a more blue white kind of cooler light. But when I was camping last, I was able to make one of these batteries last for like a day and a half, 2 days. And all I was doing was just turning them on and off as I needed to, because if you're camping, you should have a flashlight. So you just turn them on when you get over here and boom, your whole area. So now that I've got the lights on here, I've been able to barely have to use my octopus lights that I've used for years. This one got melted during a welding project.
That thing has been used for skateboarding and you name it.
Yeah, skateboarding videos, camping, you name it, but the octo lights are pretty dope. So with the lights on at night, it really gives you a lot of light on back here. Even if I kill my custom little light back there, you can change the warmth of it. Go from warm, light, cool, whatever you like. But I think our dogs are ready, man. Like, I think it's time to dog it up. That looks good. Here you go, bro.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy. Well, thank you for
Cheers.
watching. Cheers.